Hey guys, welcome back to ONN TV Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your ONN 4K streaming box remote. Whether you bought a new ONN TV remote or your old one stopped working, don't worry. The process is very easy, and it only takes a few seconds. First, go over to your ONN streaming box. I'm using the 4K version here. On the opposite side of the box, near the small light, you'll see a button. Hold that button down for about 4 seconds. Once you do that, a screen will appear that lets you reset and reconnect your remote. Now you should see the Pair Your Remote screen. It says to press and hold the back button and the home button for about 5 seconds, or until the LED starts blinking green. Also, make sure your remote stays within 3 feet of the streaming box. So I have my remote here. I'm going to hold down the back and home buttons at the same time. You should see the light blinking at the top of the remote while it connects. And there we go. The remote has been paired successfully. Now, to make sure everything is working properly, just press a few buttons on the remote. Try moving left, right, up, and down on the home screen. If the navigation is moving smoothly, that means your remote is fully connected. Hopefully, this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more ONN TV tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.